Entro, bring your arms higher, seems like you're stretching, and bring it back downward. Then figure 1, walk forward and backward, then go sideways, right forward and backward, go front again, forward, and then step backward again, and walk to the left side and backward. Figure 2, act like forming a line. Bring your arms front and swing bodies right and left alternately, then do the hooray, repeat to the left. Then do this figure twice. Again, swing your bodies and then hooray, and then swing and then hooray. The next, march like you're going now to your classroom. Next figure, do the right and erase, right and right and erase, erase and erase. Do with your left, and then right and right and right and right, then erase the writings on the board, erase the writings on the board, erase the writings on the board. The next figure, an exercise on PE class. Yan. So just like you are doing exercises on your PE class during your PE. And then turn and turn and bring your arms higher, then repeat from the top. Repeat from figure 1 to 3, and 4. Next figure, do clapping as if you're doing or you've done a good job. So just do clap, forward, forward, and then backward, backward. Those days and 32 counts. Next, repeat the hooray step. Hooray, hooray, or the exercises in PE, the movements in PE, the basic movements in PE. So do that and 16 counts, and then good twist and twist. Then repeat it twice again. This time do the salute gesture. Salute from right to left. Repeat this in 16 counts. And after the salute, do the Yeheyy expression. So Yeheyy, Yeheyy right and left. Okay. And then ready for going home. And then step and step. Then go forward and then go backward. Then repeat forward again, and then bye. Let's do it again with music.
Kita